This is question number 1, exercise 2.4. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. So you are given 4 different polynomials. You have to check individually that for those 4 polynomials whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. So this is simply the application of factor theorem. What we'll do, we will find that particular p of a, and if this p of a is 0, then we say x plus 1 is a factor, otherwise x plus 1 is not a factor. So let us start. First of all, the given polynomial, this given polynomial we will consider as p of x. Let p of x equal to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. So this is the polynomial. Now for this polynomial you have to check whether this x plus 1 is a factor or not. So you get this particular value of x which will be replaced here in the polynomial. So what do you do for that? Also let, this is exactly similar to question number 3, exercise 2.3. okay, so what do you do? Also let x plus 1 equal to 0. okay, this implies get the value of x equal to minus 1. Now what you are going to do, this x in the polynomial, given polynomial, will be replacing by minus 1. Therefore p of minus 1, let's see how much you get. And after replacing this x by minus 1, you know, if we get 0, then it is a factor, this x plus 1, otherwise it is not a factor. Okay, now x to be replaced by minus 1, so it will be minus on the right also, so x cube, so minus 1 cube minus x square minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2 into x is minus 1 plus root 2. okay, now minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 to the power odd number is always minus, so 1 cube is 1, minus 1 square, minus to the power square is always even number, okay, is always plus, so it will be minus 1 square is 1. Now see here, minus minus, this minus minus plus, 2 1s are 2, then root 2 into root 2 into 1, here plus, here also ultimately become minus plus, so it will be plus, root 2 into 1 is root 2 plus root 2. Done. This is equal to, so here you have left with minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. How much we got it? We got 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 which is not equal to 0. Now since 2 root 2 is not equal to 0, that is p of minus 1 is now not equal to 0. So since we did not get p of a, this minus 1 is in place of a. Since we did not get p of a 0, okay, did not get 0, therefore we will write x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay, is not a factor of p of x. Okay, so if it is a factor, then we must have this p of a equal to 0. Now you did not get 0, so we will write it is not a factor. Now while trying the other questions, you will simply do this procedure, and as soon as you get it 0, this p of minus 1 or p of a whatever, if you get it 0, you will write this is a factor. Okay.